Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Beautyforever hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Beautyforever. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything. So of course it came with the unit. It also did come with a wig cap as well as a silk scarf so that I can tie down my edges or lay down the wig. And here's the wig. It's this beautiful burgundy color. It doesn't have roots or anything. It's just a burgundy color. Here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly and I do fall on the larger head side. It does have two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back and the adjustable straps as well as the skin top parting area. Now, you do only get a part in the middle, although it looks to be 4x4. Now, here's the unit directly onto my head. And it didn't look too crazy, but of course it needs to be fixed. And here I'm showing you guys that the part does go a little bit further back, but you just have to fix it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go in and, you know, try to make this unit work for me. I really do like the hair quality on this unit. I'm not entirely sure how I feel, you know, about that parting area. It does look good because it hides the knots, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna go on with some heat protectant, make this wig work for me, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts once I'm all done styling and everything.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this bold unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so jumping right in, as you guys can see, we have this bold, beautiful red color. Well, it's like a red wineish burgundy type of color, which I am not mad at all. It is just so pretty. I feel like it is popping with my skin. And yeah, like I just love the way this like the shades of burgundy and red look on me, so I am feeling it. So yeah, the color I really do adore. Now let's just go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room, okay? And that is the way this cap construction is constructed, okay? So as you guys can see, this is it's a part wig, but it appears to be a 4x4. So the only parting space you get is right here in the middle. As I showed you guys in the previous clips, you do not get parting space anywhere else. And not only is it just the middle part, it is also like the skin top base type of part. So with that, I feel like, honestly, I do like it because, especially in person, I don't know how it's appearing on camera, but in person it is coming off more natural because the knots are not as evident like it, as you will see like on a lace, especially if it's not like HD or transparent. But however, it is a little bit hard to get like your product to blend, like to become your color. So for me, I personally, I don't know if I like that. I feel like I don't know how to feel about it because I feel like it's a pro and a con. And I'm sorry, I'm looking over here in the mirror because I'm trying to explain to you guys exactly how I feel about it. So it's a pro to the point where it doesn't, you know, you don't see those knots, you just see the parting area. But then it's a con because it's so hard to get it to your color. Now you can go ahead and go in with like a concealer. I was too lazy to get up and go get my concealer. That's my same shade, but I did go in with powder and it's working, but I feel like it would have came out a lot better if I would have used my concealer. So I definitely feel like you can make it work with the concealer. And honestly, that is the advantage of having this type of part. It's just that those knots will be hidden. Okay, so once you put your foundation, concealer, whatever you're going to put on there, it definitely will go ahead and hide that, which I really do like because it does give like off a more natural part. And what I don't like about it is they could have made it just a traditional 4x4 still and made it to where you could part in other areas. So yeah, I don't see why that didn't happen, but I mean, it's okay because I love the middle part, but there are some people out there who want their unit to be a little bit more versatile. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the hair quality. Now that we talked about the cap construction, the hair quality is A1. Okay, like look at how this is looking. I just did it straight out the box and I just flat ironed it. Now granted, it was pretty straight, but it did have a little like bump in it, and that's why I wanted it to be like bone straight. So yeah, I do really love how it feels, and the quality of the hair is really nice. I actually really like this company's quality because they always have good quality. I've tried many wigs from them, got many wigs from them, and you know, even purchased on my own before, and I really do love it. So their quality is never a question for me. Now as far as the ends go, the ends look good as well. There is no straggly ends, and I feel like this unit is a natural type of density, which is really good. And this is a 14-inch. On me it falls at like a 16, almost an 18, but I do have a shorter neck and I'm short, so but overall I like the density as well as the length. So overall, do I like this unit? I do like the unit. I feel like it's really fun, it's really beautiful, and I do like the fact that the lace or the parting area, the knots are hidden. So I really do like that. But even though I still don't know how I feel about the parting area, but I feel like it does look good. Like if you want to get it and make it work, it definitely can work. But overall, I do like the unit. I love the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is like the most important to me, to be honest, because you could have like a bomb like parting space or frontal or closure or whatever, but if your hair is trash, like it means nothing. So I really do love the hair quality. The hair quality is really nice, and I love that it's still nice after they have, you know, obviously colored and everything. So this is really nice. Like the hair is not dry at all. It looks very silky, and as you guys can see, all I did was put heat control spray and flat iron it, and that's it. Overall, I do like the unit. I just, you know, I already told you guys how I feel. Okay, so if you guys are interested, then definitely look in the description box below. I'll have all the links and the details and the specs on this unit, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.